Hello and welcome back to Crypto Schnack. For all those who are new, welcome, and for those who are not, welcome back. Nice to have you all here. And today we gonna talk about Bitcoin's slight crash that we saw, and I will talk about a few things that I'm up to. So guys, first thing first, we will look into CoinMarketCap, and we see that we are 3.5% down. Ethereum by 5.5% down, Bitcoin Cash is crashing, Chainlink is crashing, Litecoin is crashing, Bitcoin SV. So the entire market is setting down, and there are a few reasons why this is happening right now, and I will explain that to you. And first, I would just like to introduce you to my crypto channel that I have been creating, and you are more than welcome to subscribe for daily pictures and updates coming daily out to my channel. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, if you'd like to support me, I would really love all your support you can give me. So if so, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And now we dive into the current chart, and you guys see we are really going down, but in the worst situations, there's always something positive. So yesterday I was talking about the support which we had here. I can make another line. I had the support over here. This was pretty obvious because we had a lot of support going on here on this line, and I was saying that beginning of September we're gonna have a decision if we go further up or we will go back down a bit. So what is happening today is that we have crossed through it. The day is yet to be finished, so we still have some time to get back to the this mark up here. If we stay below this mark, you should we have to ignore this support line, and we have to draw the bigger one. The one up here didn't change, but the one down here changed, and I used the support that we had when we had the crash going on overnight on the 1st of August weekend, and now we hit a higher low, and if we take this line up here, we found support here. So if so, we just have a longer trend going before we have a bigger move. So we need to be a bit more patient. And if we scroll out, you see that we had to be really patient down here as well. So there's no surprise that we could be a bit more in this bullish upwards trend. So nothing to worry about right now. When we have to worry is if we go further down here. That would be not such a good sign, but despite that, we have just a regular movement, still bullish, going upwards, and this is the key here. We are still in a bullish trend. So if we look to CoinMarketCap, we have daily winners, and it is Kusama. It was even up by 70% a few minutes ago, and we are at $34. Kusama was trading at the beginning of March by $2. So this is a massive move, and Kusama is the winner today, and reserved rights up by 23%. And we have the meters touch, to be honest, touch gold. I haven't heard about that, to be honest. And we have a few other projects slightly in the green, but nevertheless the entire market is mainly in the red. We are at 352 billion, a volume of 103 billion, and we have a Bitcoin dominance of 59.3%. So guys, if you like this and you would like to, or you don't like it, I suppose because you support the cryptocurrency market, I do have on Patreon, and I will put the link below in my video. I am able to support you by any questions. You can support me on Patreon, and I will have a few packages that you can decide from, and you can decide what package fits well for you. and I will be able to answer you questions. I will answer you things that make you more knowledgeable about cryptocurrency, and I'm willing to help you there. Just check out my Patreon, which is down below in my in the subscription of, description of my video. And if we look at this trend, I'm not going into the news today from Bitcoin, but I'm just checking out the trend with you guys. And this is a pretty clear trend. We can go back to the 1 hour chart, and we see that we have we have just been crashing, guys. I mean, honestly, yesterday we were here at 12 o'clock, the market was going down, and we were at 11,600K, and it was actually looking all pretty well, and then we were crashing down here, and now we are in a consolidation phase, and it will be interesting to see if we keep upwards or that we don't go below this line. This is the key thing here. So guys, if you like this video, it's a pretty short one, because to be honest with you, we have not so much to talk about. Bitcoin news, yes, there are news every day, but today it is just basically over this trading issue. So finally, at the end of the video, I have as well the reason why this happened. We have the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 is not performing as well as Bitcoin over the past 3 months, but we have bad news from the United States economy, and this is as well a reason why Bitcoin is influenced by these news. It has been in the past like that, and it will be in the future. And the thing here is, if we see bad news and the index markets were going down, and the index markets did go down today, even though they have been coming back in the past 2 hours. But if you take this S&P 500, this is just a good example why Bitcoin is doing the same move down, and I'm pretty sure it will slightly crawl back up here, as the index market will do the same. So what happened, guys, is that the consumer ratings, so the consumers that were asked how if they are in a good mood spending money and all that, as the economy in the States is really depending on the consumer behavior and spending, it is a really important survey, and this was not a good result this time, and this also makes a bad outlook for the economy in the United States. And these surveys are really focused on in the stock market. People take a lot of information out of it, so they can predict where the stock market is going to move. And this news today was one of the reasons why have Bitcoin indexes and all of other stocks, or a lot of stocks, have went down, because the consumer optimism is not as good as a lot of experts were hoping for. So guys, I hope you like that, and if you want to stay up to date, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my CryptoSpark YouTube channel. Have a nice day, guys.